The definition of mass and examples of mass. Mass is one of these special terms in science that has a specific meaning, but you come across it at some point in your life. The colloquial meaning, if we were to look it up in a dictionary, would have multiple meanings. Just the noun form of it has 5 or more meanings. And it has a specific one it says attributes to physics. It says it's the quantity of matter determined from its weight or from Newton's second law of motion. So it doesn't really define what it is. And what it does is highlight the relationship between the word mass and weight and other forces. It doesn't give a specific definition. So what we're concerned about, if we look up a technical definition of scientific, some information is mass is symbolized with M. It's a dimensionless quantity, and it means it does not have a direction. And then the second part of it, it says the amount of matter in a particle or object. That is what we want to associate is our definition of mass. It's the amount of matter in a particle or an object. So we can think about an object. Let's say we have an object like this, and if we were to count up all the atoms in it like that, it would have 4 atoms. That's the amount of matter. And no matter we take that object in the universe, we move it around, it has that same mass, the same amount of matter. So we might take that object on Earth, and it has a certain amount of matter. We pack that up in our special kit, and we travel to the moon, and that same object has the same amount of matter in it. It may weigh less. There may be other things you might say about it that has changed, but what is true about it is that its mass has stayed the same. Mass is the amount of matter. The object itself didn't change. And so going on with the definition, it says the unit of mass in your national system is the kilogram. Ironically, not the gram. It's the only one that has a metric prefix on it. And so just a reminder to help you think about mass is think about the number of atoms, counting the number of atoms and things.